Hey guys, long time no see and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a first impression / test out videos for you guys about beauty products I've been wanting to try out for like years. A few days ago I was browsing Amazon and I was like, dang, I'm gonna search for this beauty product and see what I could find on there. So I ended up purchasing this kit, which was the magnetic eyeliner and eyelash kit. So this was the cheapest one I could find on Amazon with Prime, and this was £5.99 I believe. So yeah, magnetic eyelashes been around for like a year or two already, and there are mainly two kinds. One of them is the clip-on one, and the other one is the one with magnetic eyeliner, just like this one. So I'm really excited, and so yeah, if you're interested in seeing how this works and my thoughts on it, please keep on watching. To be fair, I'm a bit dubious about this product because it doesn't have any brand name on it. Like, the packaging is really simple with really simple instruction at the back, and it's made in China. So hopefully I don't have any like allergic reactions on my eyes when applying the eyeliner, so finger crossed. So now I'm gonna open it and see what it looks like on the inside. So the kit is really simple. It comes with 3 pairs of eyelashes with different styles, a tweezer tools for you to put on the eyelashes, and also a tube of magnetic eyeliner. It also comes with a little card and show you all the tips and all the instructions on how to use and how to remove the eyelashes. So it looks really simple. It looks like anyone can use this product. Also, I want to point out that on Amazon I realized that a lot of the products on there, it looks pretty much the same, with like different style of eyelashes and the same style of tweezers. This one, it looks really cheaply made, like the plastic is not that great, it looks really flimsy. Even the tube design of the eyeliner looks the same on different products on Amazon. So yeah, I reckon they're probably the same kind of product, it's just like, you know, packaged differently. So the eyelashes style I have, they're more towards the natural kind, so they're not as full as like some of the style I saw on Amazon. The only difference I reckon the difference from the normal false eyelashes is that they're not glued onto the tray. They're actually like, you know, magnetically stick on to the little magnet here, the black one. So it's really easy to pull it off from the tray and take it without damaging the eyelashes. I don't know if you can see through the camera, there are 5 little magnets on the cord of the eyelashes, and these are what makes the eyelashes magnetic and glued on to the eyeliner. So I don't know, if you lose one of the magnets, I think that it will affect the glue on effect and it will loosen up the eyelashes. So I think these are really important, and you can't really, you know, mess it up with these magnets. So before I applied it on my eyes, I want to test the eyeliner at the back of my hand first, just to see how well the brush stroke works, and then also if I have any allergic reaction. So according to the instruction, I have to shake the eyeliner first to make sure everything's well blended. So I'm going to do a little exercise, shake, shake, shake to my arms. So I think this is fine. And so let me open it. The brush itself is actually not bad, it's quite stiff, so it's like quite easy for you to control it. And I would say this is not the finest tip of this kind, so I'm going to have a little draw here, the line. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. Oh, I drew it really thick. I don't know if I could make it finer when it's on my eyes, but as you can see, it doesn't really bleed, which is always good as eyeliner. And I think it dry matte, which is another, you know, plus for this eyeliner for me. So yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna see how well it's gonna remove first. So I have this makeup remove thing wipe, so I'm gonna wipe it. Yes, really easy to remove, so I don't have to worry about it, like, you know, not being able to remove from my eyes. So now I'm going to zoom in and then draw my eyeliner. So I've just applied the eyeliners on my eyes with this magnetic liquid eyeliner. As you can see, the application went okay. It's actually quite easy to control and like it's really smooth to put on. It's just that the liquid eyeliner dried out quite easily, so I have to double dip a few times just to complete one eyeliner. But other than that, everything's okay. I think my eyeliner looks alright. They're not balanced though, but it's fine. So the instruction doesn't really say that how many layers of eyeliners I have to put on to ensure the magnetic effect is there. So I just put on my eyeliner just like how I usually would put it on. So hopefully it will still work later. So one thing I want to test out is that normally I would set my eyeliners with some eyeshadow just to, you know, make sure that it doesn't budge or move around because I have quite oily eyes. So I want to test it out on one side of my eyes just to see if the magnetic effect is still there, even like the eyeliner is covered with some eyeshadows. So now I'm going to put some eyeshadow on top of the eyeliner just to set it and see if it will still work. Hopefully it does. So now this side of my eyeliner is set with some eyeshadows and this side of my eyeliner is just dried out completely. So now I can put on some eyelashes. I'm going to pick the bottom pair because these look the most natural ones. So I'm just going to pick it out and then try them on. So now I'm going to put it on this side first, which is the one that doesn't have any eyeshadow on. So I'm going to try my best because normally I don't really put on false eyelashes. So hopefully it'll work. Oh my god, I think I could feel some like magnet working. I could feel it. Oh my god, it works. Oh Jesus, this is dramatic. This is too long. So now I'm excited to see if this side will still stick on and works with the eyeshadow on top. So let's see. Oops, I think it does. Yeah, it definitely stick on even with eyeshadow on top. Ooh. Can you see my eyelashes? They're definitely on. I don't like them. I look horrible with them. Like, I think you shouldn't set this eyeliner with eyeshadow because I don't know if you can see, like this side here is falling off. I think the eyeshadow does block out some of the magnetic effect. Oh my god, I look ridiculous with just one side of eyelashes. But this side, the side that I didn't set of eyeshadow, it stuck on so well, like it doesn't budge at all, which is, you know, amazing. So I think this kind of magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes kit would be really good for makeup beginner because the application is so easy, like, and it takes no time for you to stick on your eyelashes. Unlike the traditional glued on one, you have to wait for the glue to get tacky and then you have to, you know, you can't really readjust the eyeliner if you don't have enough time. But this one you can always, like, you know, take it out and then stuck it on again and it always works. It's just that don't set just the eyeliner with eyeshadow. I now look ridiculous, so I'm going to end this video as soon as possible. So overall, I think I'm going to rank this kit 3 stars out of 5 because although the application is so easy and it works so well, you know, on this side, I think I could definitely feel the eyelashes on my eyes, so it's not very comfortable and the style on my eyes looks ridiculous. Like, I don't like them on my eyes. So it could be because the eyelashes are not that well made, or it could be of the little magnet on the band or the cord of the eyelashes, so they're not as wispy or, lightweight feeling comparing to the traditional glued on ones. So yeah, I think if you're interested in trying, you could try the Ardell one, because I think they make a magnetic eyeliner and eyelash kits as well, but instead of liquid eyeliner they do gel eyeliner instead. So yeah, if you're interested, you should definitely go try that out, because I believe that eyelashes would feel much better. So yeah, I think 3 stars out of 5 are pretty good ranking for these kits. So yeah, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.